Welcome to Angostura State Recreation Area, just outside Hot Springs, South Dakota. We were here a couple years ago when we came up this way for just one night, found it by accident, loved the park and said, we have to come back, and here we are. We've spent 4 nights here with our good friends, Deb and Scott, right next door. This is a big rig friendly park. This is the Cheyenne campground inside the park. Site number 6 is what we had. There's multiple campgrounds within this park. It is a huge park on a reservoir. They have disc golf, they have boating, they have sandy swim beaches. Just phenomenal. We've seen wildlife and it's been a great time. They have electric hookups, 30 and 50 amp. You have to run off your water tank, your fresh water tank, and there are 2 dump stations within the park. But amazing, we love it here. Hey y'all, welcome back. I'm Stacy.
I'm Tom, and we're RV Texas, y'all.
We are Native Texans and full-time RVers who are all about exploring the great state of Texas and beyond, one campground at a time. We're on a mission to experience life, not just live it, and we're bringing you along for the fun.
In 2018, we sold our house, our business, and got rid of most everything we owned to hit the road and see America. Our home is a 33-foot RV named Freedom. We installed an extreme solar and lithium setup, so now we can just about live anywhere with our dog Star and our cat Astro.
Every day is a new adventure, so join us as we RV America, y'all. We came here after we went to the FMCA rally. When we left Elkhart, Indiana and Master Tech, getting our solar and lithium and all that done, we zoomed across the country out to Gillette, Wyoming to FMCA. We didn't film this time because we've already filmed 2 FMCA rallies, so we figured y'all have seen that. If you haven't, I'll put those links to those videos in the description in case you want to see them. But we had a great time. Hey to everybody that we met a ton of people. And then we came out here, and this has been really peaceful and quiet, really close into Hot Springs for all the great stuff there is to do, like the Mammoth Site, and there's a community museum and a neat downtown to walk around, shops and restaurants. And yeah, and we went to a rodeo with our friends Doreen and Angela, and it just had a great time. And Susan and Dave, and got to see a ton of folks that we know while we were in the area. So we love the Black Hills of South Dakota. And now we're gonna work our way back toward Elkhart, because this was our opportunity to do a shakedown cruise on all of our solar and lithium and all of that, and we're gonna make a few tweaks, and so we can hit the road. Today we're in Hot Springs, South Dakota, on the southern edge of the Black Hills, and we're going to check out the Mammoth Site. Let's go see.
Yep. We're here at Zering, Iowa, and this is where my folks are from. They both grew up in this town. And my Aunt Mary brought us here, my mom's sister. And the town's always had about a population of 500. I think back when they lived here and now. But we came by to see it. I've never seen this beautiful sign that they have until today, I think. But yeah, this takes me back to my childhood. Came here every single year, and it was a lot of memories. We're still in Zering, and this is the Zering Cemetery. And this is my grandma and grandpa, my mom's parents. And I was lucky enough to get to spend a lot of time with them. And this is crazy. I didn't even know this is here. I'm glad my Aunt Mary's here with me. This is my great-grandparents. I never knew them, but this is where they're buried too. And here's their stones. So would have been my grandma's parents.
Lots of roots here.
Yeah.
Going to get ice cream.
at the creamery in Hope City, Iowa.
Okay.
Prior to that, an old gas station.
Yeah, that's cool. Thank you, Larry.
Welcome to Kelowna, Illinois and the Lavender Crest Winery. This is a Harvest Host stop. And apparently we're the only ones here tonight, so they told us we could park anywhere in the parking lot. This is a great, they actually have a restaurant where they serve lunch, and we had lunch here. We got here in time, and Just a beautiful site. They told us that even after they lock up the building, we'll be able to walk around and sit on the back patio if we want to and look at the grape fields and the corn, and really, really nice.
Wow, that corn's tall.
Yeah, it is.
Well, we're back in Indiana.
Seems like we were just here. Hey, Indiana.
Yeah, it's becoming our second home. But no problem going back to get our few tweaks done at Master Tech RV. And yeah, a little bit of traffic here, but we're good.
Seems like this is where we ran into traffic before when we were coming in.
I'm sure we're real close to Chicago, so.
Hey, Chicago.